How to remove profile picture on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to remove or reset your Bitmoji or profile picture on Snapchat for iOS or Android. So in this tutorial, I'm using iOS. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So what you're going to do is simply click on the Snapchat application and then you're going to click on your profile at the top left. And here you're going to click on public profile. And then you're going to click on this pencil icon at the top. And then you're going to click on this pencil next to your profile picture. If you're having a profile picture set, you'll be able to view that over here. So simply click on this pencil icon and then click on delete existing photo. So once you do so, you'll be able to see that the photo has been removed, and that's it. That was how you can remove profile picture on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.